For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Delhi government has revised its COVID-19 plan in the wake of increase in number of cases. According to the new revised plan, all the households in the national capital will be screened by July 6th to contain the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. By June 26th, all the containment zones will be reviewed as per the new COVID-19 plan, and all the households in these zones will be screened. At present, Delhi stands in the second position, followed by Maharashtra in worst affected states due to COVID-19 pandemic. The new guidelines was released after a series of meetings between Home Minister Amit Shah, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal. Home Minister Amit Shah had directed the Delhi government to ramp up house-to-house surveillance. Delhi government has identified 261 containment zones. Surveillance and contact tracing will also be intensified in the worst affected neighborhoods to break the chain of transmission of the virus. As per the Delhi government, more than 2,500 new cases and around 75 deaths are reported every day. It also added that around 45% of the cases have recovered in containment zones. The Plan 1 is Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has decided to strengthen the COVID-19 surveillance in Delhi. Plan 2, as per the Home Minister Amit Shah's guidelines, the government will conduct an evaluation of existing containment zones and preparation of revised containment zone planning. Plan 3, all the COVID-19 patients and cluster cases in densely populated areas will be sent to COVID-19 care centers. Plan 4, police will be deployed in all the areas to ensure people maintain social distancing. Plan 5, CCTV and drones will be used to monitor movement in containment zones. Plan 6, as per new COVID-19 revised plan, high-risk and low-risk contacts will be categorized as per the guidelines. Plan 7, everyone should use Arogya Setu app and ITHAS system. Plan 8, serological survey will begin on June 27th and will be completed by July 10th. Besides the revised plan, Ginger Hotel and Tulip Hotel will be converted as quarantine centers. Delhi reports 66,602 COVID-19 cases. Total number of COVID-19 cases in Delhi stands at 66,602 with 39,313 recoveries and 2,301 deaths. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal exudes confidence in the revised COVID-19 plan. Delhi's home isolation plan has been working very well. I have personally spoken to many patients on phone who underwent home isolation. I would urge Centre and Lieutenant Governor not to tinker with it and restore it back. As per several reports, all the patients will have to go to COVID-19 care centres and those who have necessary facilities can be isolated at home.